Hello Vietmaxim family and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at Ethereum. Technically Ethereum is looking very good. There is a very high probability that it could continue this uptrend after hitting a low of 880. We could see Ethereum run up to about 2200. However, one thing to keep in mind is we are in the middle of a recession. So technically, the trend could reverse as part of this nasty looking inverted flag. If the price were to break down and drop below 880, then there is a high probability that it would continue to drop until it reached as low as 250. But personally, I believe that 880 is the bottom for now. I am betting on Ethereum to continue this uptrend and run higher. That is assuming if it can cross over a critical price level at 1650. So for me, the minute Ethereum cross over 1650 and show sign that it is stabilizing over, that is when I would begin to accumulate. Why 1650? Well, let's take a look at this chart. Looking at this chart, right now Ethereum is still in a downward trend because we are still seeing this higher low and lower low. So it is in this downtrend. Now, if we were to connect this point with this low point and just extend that to cover the low point, that would give us this downward channel. And then just extend this line to cover the rest of the timeline. As you can see, Ethereum was trending down and the price very much oscillating within this downward channel. First, this pullback, the minute it hit the support of this downward channel, the price reversed direction. The key here is this: when the price reversed from this low, the volume wasn't really that much. It's pretty much normal. The price continued to bounce up. The minute it hit the resistance, it dropped. And the price continued to retrace until it hit the low of 880, which is very close to the support of this channel. Now here's the key: volume picked up drastically. So this indicates that buyers are waiting, and the minute they see the price drop to this low, they step in and push the price up. From that point, Ethereum continued to oscillate, but in an upward direction. At this point, the price pulled back, but immediately it reversed direction as the low get close to this prior low. Again, volume pick up, and then it continued on this uptrend until right now, which is it's trading around almost 1600. The increase in the buying volume, the minute the price dropped to about 880, and then again when the price pulled back and dropped to about 1000, then we see increase in buying volume again, which pushed the price up. This lead me to believe that there is a very high probability that 880 could potentially be the bottom for this major pullback. There is always that possibility, like I said earlier, that if the stock market continues to decline, there is a chance that Ethereum could easily reverse direction. And as part of this reversal, if it cannot find support at 880, then it could retest the support of this channel at roughly about 250. But again, that possibility is really low. I am looking forward to see this thing running up and test the resistance of this channel. So let's focus on this time frame. All right, so this is the area that we like to examine in more detail. After Ethereum retraced, dropped to this point, bounced up, broke down, established low, and now it is trending up. First thing I like to do is I want to reduce the green shade of this channel. So now it's looking much better. Let's take a look at this on a shorter time interval. Alright, what I have here is a 4-hour chart. When Ethereum was trending down, found support at 1700, but then the price broke down, continued to drop, and then found support at around 880. Then the price oscillate in this upward trend. So what we're looking at here is Ethereum formed an inverted flag. We were fortunate that as part of this retracement, they were buying support right at around 1000, and that pushed the price up with strong volume. Ethereum continued to trend up, and at this point, it actually broke over the resistance of this inverted flag. At this point, as long as the price stay above this trend line, it would negate the inverted flag, because if the price were to break down and drop below the support, then there is that possibility that this thing could drop to as low as 250. So fortunately, the price reversed direction. It reached a high of about 1650, and for the past 6 days, it has been oscillating or in consolidation within this very tight trading range. Essentially, what it is setting up here is a mini bull flag. This is our beautiful mini bull flag. This is the pole, this is the flag, and for the past 6 days, Ethereum has oscillated between a high of 1650 and a low of 1450. The reason that 1650 is the magic number for me, because I want to see that there is enough buying support to push the price over this critical resistance or the top of the flag. And the minute Ethereum stabilizes over 1650, then the probability for it to continue this uptrend as part of the breakout of this mini bull flag is very high. And the target for this breakout could take it eventually to retest the support of our larger downward channel at around 2200. If Ethereum can break out and cross over, let me just zoom in, 2200 or over the resistance of this downward channel, then we can look at the next bull run. Now, as long as the price is still trading below the 1650, there is always that probability that the price could retrace, and then we would fall into this continued downtrend again. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.